Hey everybody, I apologize for not posting in the last couple of days. I know I don't have any subscribers yet, but I know one day I will. And I just wanted to take the time to apologize. I went to the casino, didn't get one bonus. I was hoping to post at least a bonus on here. But here I am today with some scratchers. So this one's a new one that I haven't played yet, Ruby Red Sevens. Can win up to $777,777. And you match any of your numbers to the winning numbers. Win prize shown, reveal a black symbol, 7, win the prize shown. A red 7 symbol win 5 times, and a red looks like a ruby symbol, you win 10 times prize shown. So you have the winning numbers are here, and these are the prizes. Let's see what's happening here. Sorry, I'm doing this in my car. It's easier than doing it in the house with the dogs. So the first number is 21. We have 11, 28, 26, and 35. All right, here we go. So 12, 1, 9, 3, 24, 20, 19, 5, 25, 10, 30, and 8. All right, so we did not match one number on those. One of these days I'm going to hit big. This one is a cash times 50, went up to $3 million. Match any of your numbers or the bonus numbers to the winning numbers, so you win prize shown, and you can multiply the prize shown by the multiplier directly under that prize. So our main numbers are 16, 18, 6, 31, 11, and 14. Alright, so none of my main numbers match. Let's see if my bonus match. 36. So no 36. 30. I don't see a 30. 25. I don't see a 25 on here. And 22. Unfortunately, that one was a loser too. Alright, so this one's new too. It's a triple jackpot 7 jackpot. So with this one, there's bonus plays on top. You can win $50, $100, $250, or $500 instantly. And on the bottom, looks like you match your numbers to any of the winning numbers when prize shown. Reveal a black 7 when prize shown automatically. Blue 7 win double. Reveal a double blue symbol, win 5 times, and reveal triple blue symbol, 7s, and win 10 times. All right, let's start with the bonus first. Nothing. 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 Come on. Nothing. All right. Nothing. So the numbers that I'm scratching off, 14, 16 to 31, 4, 8, and 24, and 9, and 6. A lot of numbers on the top there. Not a match. 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 I'll just around add to 31. Not a match. Not a match. 28. Not a match. 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 And not a match. So looks like today, unfortunately, I bought all duds. But hey, you never know, right? That's the joys of gambling. You never know if you're going to win or you're going to lose. But thank you all for watching, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.